I wanted to take you on a tour of the place I've called home for over 26 years. Come on into the clinic, guys. Hey guys, welcome. I'm Dr. Todd Johnsonbaugh, one of the chiropractors here at Dabbs Chiropractic and Rehab. I'm probably the best at talking at the clinic, so they said, hey Todd, we want you to introduce what you all do here at the chiropractic. Can you see we're already busy checking patients in. Now what sets us apart already is that we're on all the Maryland Medicaid system services. We're on the VA network. We're Kaiser providers, plus all the regular ones, Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Aetnas, Cignas, United. And we're some of the top tier providers on that. The scrutiny that a lot of other providers might get to get services, we don't get as much because we've been on them for so long. Check this out. This is our rehab suite. This is not where you get lost. This is where you get found. You're probably starting to realize this is not like an experience you're used to, but I don't think there's any other provider that matches this. Let me tell you more about it. Our first office is occupied by Dr. Von Dabbs. Yes, that's the owner, operator. Dr. Dabbs has been doing this 40 years. He's also an author of Why Your Back Hurts and is also a functional medicine specialist. He's done some great videos on that, and we'll provide some links for that. Now we walk by this offices, and yeah, you get to my neck of the woods. I've been here for almost 26 years. Where I love the manual therapies. I love using my hands to move your health forward, to help you relate better with gravity. Now, look at this great thing. We got the circuit here and we have you warm up on that a lot of times to get your muscles prepped for adjustment, but more importantly, to practice awesome, outstanding posture. Then we have our different modalities. We have all the different modalities that can be used at a clinic. Yeah, like right here, you'll see laser. And the good Dr. Miser brought this to our practice, and he is a great expert on how this helps facilitate healing. We all know how incredible light can feel. We go out into the sun and feel that. Well, if you use focused light, it can release healing. This might be something that's not done to help move the therapy forward. Oh wow, this table's being used, but we have over here our decompression table. Yes, we have different traction tables over here. That helps take stress off your spine. What we're trying to do is open those holes that are being compressed to create a vacuum effect, and that way you can remove stress from nerves. Now keep coming. You all are watching a physical therapist assistant in action, and we have a physical therapist here as well. Wait, chiropractors and physical therapists in the same office? Yeah, people go, oh, but my chiro does physical therapy. Yes, we are chiropractors and we do great with physical therapy. In fact, I train some, but it's not the same. We have licensed physical therapists here. We just did a video about what that is all about too, so make sure you refer to that as well. And we're at the good Dr. Miser's office. Dr. Miser has been doing chiropractic for close to 20, 25 years. He's incredible. He talked about some of the modalities he does, but what he might have forgotten to tell you is he also does dry needling. People go, I want a place for dry needling. That's done here too. I hope this isn't the end of our experience together. I really want it to be the beginning. Our providers are some of the highest ranked chiropractors in the state of Maryland. But more importantly, why I want you to consider us here is because we care. And you're gonna get that from the moment you come in. So guys, when you're considering an office, I want you to know, I want them to have the resources to take care of you. I want you to have the expertise to move you forward in a variety of situations. I want them to use a lot of different modalities, but if they don't care and you don't get that vibe, run. And I think you're gonna find when you come here, you're not gonna find more caring folks that wanna move you and your health to a higher level. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to hear about how you got here.